Last week, a groundbreaking discovery was made regarding the potential of a 5-second, Himalayan ice hack to significantly accelerate the metabolism by as much as 450%. This revolutionary technique, utilizing nothing more than ice from your own freezer, has been touted as the most powerful weight loss method available, surpassing any diet or exercise plan in existence. The research and science behind this is compelling and ideal for health and wellness as well as weight loss. I implore you to try this alpine secret for yourself before retiring for the evening. You may be pleasantly surprised to find that you wake up lighter and more invigorated than ever before. It is important to note that this discovery is not without controversy, as it poses a threat to the $78 billion weight loss industry. For this reason, I urge you to take advantage of this opportunity and watch the accompanying video before it is too late. The link is in the description.